do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the All Progressive Congress APC. And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress APC. And the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.